Alright, one more quick video, or at least one more. I'm gonna show, now don't mind the mess in the back. We are in the middle of cleaning it, and then there's some body parts and yada yada yada. But I'm gonna show you what the problem that we're gonna fix now. Tailgate's gonna open. Also don't mind my camper there. And now okay, that was a different problem than I thought we were going to tackle today. Actually, it is the same problem. What happens is the tailgate shocks are completely foobar. So I bought a set. I will try to link them in the description if I remember. I make no money off that sale, so don't worry about it. But I'm going to go ahead and move the camera to outside and show you what we're doing. Okay, so on today's video, we're going to replace these tailgate shocks on this 06 Dodge Grand Caravan. I bought this set off of Amazon, so this might also be a review. It's a pair of them, and it was $21 for the pair. Now, initially, I was going to do this side and then record the other side because I wanted to make sure I knew what I was doing. But it turns out these are super simple. They even come with the bolts built in. Hopefully, yeah. Okay, there you go. On both sides. I don't know what that's about. Okay, but let's. So it looks like all we need here is a T40. It's a Torx bit 40. There we go. I can't really see the screen. It's very bright out, and my glasses are blacked out at the moment. Ooh, okay, that wasn't glass. Make sure you don't hit the glass. I would bring out my power tools. In fact, I might. I still might. You'd be surprised how much. Oh, I gotta make sure this doesn't fall and hit the. Fall. Oh, okay, so we gotta remove this weather stripping. All right. So, oh jeez. Now, because I believe in leaving in my mistakes, I am not going to edit that out. I could edit that out, but I'm not going to. What happened was when the little bit that this was help. I have the other side held in with a pair of vice grips right now, and the vice grips were not secure enough that when this side's load came off, it came down and hit me in the head, and also hit the camera. I'm just glad I didn't cuss. I try not to cuss in my videos, but man, I came close. Alright, so since the camera's still pointing at this side, I'm going to go ahead and start putting this side in. And where's my ratchet at? Tell you what, that was kind of scary. This tailgate just like came down, and it nailed me in the head. Alright, so I'm going to start putting this side in real quick. I'm actually got to lift up on the tailgate a little bit, get this to thread in. Whew. I think most people would have edited that out of their video. I'm not most people. Alright, let me finish tightening this side up. I don't know what kind of goo is on my fingers right now. Actually, I need to take that side off. So that's why this was there was a bit of a, the top side here has a slip joint in it. Finish tightening these up. Actually, my arms are getting tired. I've been working on this vehicle all day, as well as another one just like it. So when and I'm going to have to finish tightening that down by hand. It'd be nice if I could see my screen. Alright, so now I'm going to finish tightening them by hand. Alright, this one's tight enough. That one's ran all the way down. I think the top side needs a little more love. No, that one's tight as well. So what's going to happen when I take the vice grips off of this side? What do you think is going to happen? I guess we're going to find out together. Alright, so this did not fall. That is very promising. So I'm going to try to make quick work of this. So I can't even tell where my hand is. There we go. So we're going to buzz this one out. Okay, so now I need to put a set of vice grips on the other side for now. I mean, there's a reason they have them as a pair rather than by singles, you know. They put this weather strip back on over here. I think this arm from the auto open is going to give me a little bit of trouble. Alright. So on this one I'm going to put... So now that one's completely out. I am going to put this one up, and I'm going to start threading it in by hand because you don't want to cross thread things, as I mentioned in the spark plug video. And then we will put this side up also by hand. And that sun is right where I need to see. I have done a lot of work today. Finish up the bottom one right here. Get my socket back that my thing tried to steal. I have no idea where that plastic bag went from that. We're going to... Alright. And if you look, there are no vice grips holding this thing up. I'd say for at least right now, this is going to work. Now let's do a quick test of the feature I was talking about. I don't have a remote that has this. And that worked beautiful. So, as I say on every video, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And have a blessed day.